What up, G Hefe Squad? What's good with it? You know who it is, your host with the most, G Hefe, with another one. In this video, I'm in Colombia, Cartagena, Colombia. And I'm going to take y'all on something y'all probably never seen before, which is the first freed African town in all of the Americas, like all of them, North, Central, or South, whichever one. This was the first one as far as just the town being free. And I'm going to put the exact date up here when it was free for you later. And I'm not your history guy. I'm not like this is not something I do. This experience. Actually, I'm going to tell y'all what I did was I was over at a Shoei spot, and they had the Netflix La Esclava Blanca playing, and I seen like they was talking about Palenque or something, and I ain't never heard them. So I looked that it up, and I discovered that, oh, this was the first free African town. So I was like, bet, I gotta check that joint out. So you see, we right here in the countryside now. I think it's about an hour and a half from Cartagena, the main city. So we took the van. I booked the excursion off of the trip off of Airbnb. I think it cost me like $90 about US. And I mean, you could find other deals, but it was a last minute thing, and I just wanted to check it out. And I wanted to do it. I did it on a Sunday where I knew I wasn't gonna have other stuff going on like during the week that I've been trying to take care of. So it worked out. So like I said, we riding in the van. It's just me and the driver, the tour guide, and then this married couple. They from the U.S. So it's not. You can see it's a little less developed out here. It's more the village type vibe, As you can see, the houses, the structures, a lot of greenery, green space. As we getting further and further away from Cartagena. Now, it's estimated like, yeah, in the early 1600s they was free. You telling me? I think Juneteenth in the U.S. is like 1865-ish. So, and I think Haiti, which was the first freed nation, that was like 1809 maybe. Y'all correct me in the comments. I don't want the interaction. I'll look it up myself. But what y'all checking? But so yeah, just keep in mind I'm in the back. I'm in the back blocks of Colombia. Never been here. And on break, what was funny, the tour guide was like, yo, cause he said I live out there. So he's like, yo, I'm gonna ride up here with y'all. I forgot how long would a ride. As I said, maybe like 90 minutes. But yeah, give or take, no traffic. He's like, yo, I'm gonna ride out there with y'all, but I'm not coming back with y'all. I'm gonna stay out here. I'm gonna stay in town. Off rip. I'm like, yo, dang, this joint setting up like one of them narco situations. Talking about what you mean? In my head, I'm like, what you mean you ain't riding back with us, bruh? But I speak Spanish enough to move around, more than enough to move around. So I ain't tripping. And what they gonna do to me that they not doing to me in the U.S. is my vibe. I'm out here in search for better opportunities. You feel me? Because the game is crazy out here. Like, I love to have me a farmland.
The cream comes in three different sizes: family, home, and travel size that fits perfect in your bag. Find it in lavender and citrus.
I love to have me some farmland out here. So I need y'all to help your boy out, support the brand. Y'all know I'm gonna shout it out real quick. Bold Nature Life. Get your shea butter mix, help moisturize your skin. Yeah, it's the best in the game. But yeah, back to the video. So now we've been riding for a minute. Now the $90, people might be like, yo, 90 a grip. Like I said, it's a round trip from the spot, the back, the tour guide, and they're gonna feed you. They're gonna feed you lunch too. So you think about all of that included in this experience now. So now we made it, after all of that riding. So that's it. You see the I Heart Palenque. That's the city we in, basically the town that we're in, and they freed themselves. That's to me, you're talking about gangster now. That's gangster. let me not say it that way. You talking about freeing yourself. Now that's the right way to go about things. You know what I mean? That's how you gotta do it. So once you in, that's the first part. You still gotta ride a little bit more. It's not like soon as you go through that, you right where everybody at. That's just the interest to the town. So we still riding out. Basically, it wasn't much. It's a lot of green space. Now you can see more people. So boom, we went straight for the festivities. They had a little show. That's the first thing they had for us. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the show, but this is like you can see the African vibes and everything with the dances. They find very important to maintain the African tradition.
Spaniards call this Spaniards call this palisades, and that means Palenque. African communities who protect the houses by wood shelter. You know, it's a mix, it's a Creole. Our ancestors or the master, they don't care about the skin color, they don't care about what languages the people speak. They just put the people to work together. And then people who came from different places can understand what the other ones say. That's why
I never been to Haiti, but it just when I seen this, it reminded me of like what part of how it would be set up partially. And this is actually a language. What Jamaicans they got patois. They speak a Creole. Belize I think speak a Creole too. But this is they Creole they language because it's a African Spanish Creole. So because you had people coming from different places when they was bringing them over, Africans, and then they was maintaining, so they got their language. So as you can see, some of the words that they would use, anu, I don't want to mispronounce because I'm doing Spanish, jaracho, jaracho.
La profesora Teresa. Palenque, si usted supiera, usted tiene una belleza. Palenque, si usted supiera. Usted tiene una belleza, y esa belleza que tiene, ella se llama Teresa. Ay, cabeza.
Yo llegué a Palenque para ver cómo era Palenque. Y todo era Palenque. Mamacito, Palenque.
As you can see, they holding on to the. That's the main thing that I took away off initially, is that they really holding on to the African traditions, even though they was brought over to South America. Now it's known as South America, but it's brought over to South America. It's still connecting to the African traditions. So yeah, that's the first part of the Palenque series. I'm gonna do some more videos. I just want to get y'all, get y'all in, see me on the statue. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, check out the channel. I'm gonna have some more videos from the city. From the town. I just want to show this one off the break, and then I'm gonna get back and post other ones that I do got for y'all. Alright, enjoy yourself. Easy though.